Jai Shri Gurudev. Today I am going to explain some problems related to the 2.1 exercise. Remaining problem. See, have to find out this value. Tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay. How to find the value of this one? This is one of the important questions. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 value is what? So 45 degrees. 5 by 4 plus. Okay, tan inverse 1. 5 by 4. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 means you can write pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Okay. Sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. So minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, na? So pi by 4 plus pi minus. Okay. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 is what? So 60 degrees. Okay, na? 5 by 3 minus sin inverse of 1 by 2 30 degrees. 5 by 6. Okay, na? So pi by 4 plus pi means 180 degrees. Okay, 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 means 90. Pi 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 means 90. So therefore plus pi by 2 plus pi. Okay, na? So we can simplify this one. So 4 is the LCM. 4 is the LCM. Pi plus, okay, 2 pi. So therefore 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 is the answer. Okay, na? Like that we have simplified. So 3 pi by 4. Now how to solve this problem easily in a CET technique? How to solve this easily in CET? What is the answer? 3 pi by 4. No, you can directly also you can write how it will be. Here tan inverse 1 means what? Tan inverse 1 is equals to pi by 4. So one property is there. What is that property means? Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Okay. So x should be between minus 1 to 1 means the value of these two will be sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to what? Pi by 2. So this is the formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. We can directly write like this, pi by 2. Okay, na? So 4 is the LCM. Pi plus 2 pi is equals to 3 pi by 2. We can solve like that only. Okay, we can solve like that. Okay, this is another method. We can solve. Okay, next we'll see the next problem. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 already written, no? So what is the value of cos inverse of 1 by 2? 60 degrees. Pi by 3. Pi by 3 plus 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 means 30 degrees. Pi by 6. Pi by 6. 3 equals to pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is equals to 2 pi by 3. So this is one of the easiest question we can solve. Okay. See next question. Tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2. Secant inverse of minus 2. Okay. Tan inverse of root 3. So what are the tan values? Tan 0, 0. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 16 root 3, tan 19, infinity, 95. These are the values. So tan inverse of root 3. Tan inverse of root 3 means what? 60 degrees. 60 degrees means what? Pi by 3. Pi by 3. You can write pi by 3. Okay, na? Minus secant inverse minus x. Secant inverse minus x property is there. Secant inverse minus x is equals to pi minus secant inverse x. Okay, na? Can use that property here. 5 minus secant inverse 2. Some students doing the mistake. What is that mistake means? Here minus is there, no? This minus is for these two. Had to simplify with these two. Multiply model. Okay na? So 5 by 3 minus 5 plus secant inverse 2. Secant inverse 2. Like that. Okay na? Minus into minus plus minus secant inverse 2. Secant, you can write the secant inverse 2. Secant inverse 2 means what? See, cos values. Cos 0, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 60, 1 by 2, 0, no? So reciprocal was secant, so 1 by 2 will be used here. So secant 60, 2. Secant 60, 2. So secant inverse 2 is what? 60 degrees. 60 degrees means what? 60 degrees means 5 by 3 minus 5 plus 60 degrees means 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay na? 60 degrees 5 by 3. Okay. Now simplify. So 2 pi by 3 minus 5 minus 5 is equals to 2 pi minus 3 pi. 3 pi by 3 is equals to what? Minus 5 by 3. So minus 5 by 3 is the answer. So like that we can simplify the problem. Okay na? See, next we will discuss the properties related to the inverse trigonometric function. Properties. What is the first property? Sin inverse 1 by x. Sin inverse 1 by x is equals to cosecant inverse x. Cosecant inverse x. The condition like x greater than or equals to 1 or x less than or equals to minus 1. Okay na? So how to prove this property? See. So first have to consider, you can consider this one or this one. Both you can consider any. Okay. Proof. Cosecant inverse x is equals to what? Y. Consider cosecant inverse x is equals to what? Y. Cosecant inverse x is equals to y. Okay. According to the definition of the cosecant inverse x, we can write x is equals to cosecant y. Cosecant inverse okay na? You can understand like that. X is equals to cosecant inverse y. This is the definition of the cosecant inverse. Okay na? Next, cosecant. What is the reciprocal cosecant? 1 by sin. No? So we can write x is equals to 1 by sin y. Cosecant y 1 by sin. Sin no? Sin. So sin is equal to sin. Sin y is equals to 1 by x. Sin y is equals to 1 by x. Okay na? Now what is y? Y is equals to definition of the sin inverse. Sin inverse. Y we can write y is equals to sin inverse of 1 by x. Y is equals to sin inverse of 1 by x. So consider this is the equation number 2. Consider this is the equation number 1. Okay. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. See, this is y, this is y. Both are y now. We can equal these two things. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So cosecant inverse x is equals to sin inverse 1 by x. So this is the part. So we can write both also. Sin inverse x is equals to sin inverse 1 by x is equals to cosecant inverse x. Okay na? How can you use this property? Means you can use like this. In some values like that. So cosecant inverse 2. You are facing some difficulty to find cosecant inverse 2. Okay, some students are facing. Why? Because or Vegas spot you can't spot that what is the value of cosecant. They are comfortable in finding sin values. Okay, sin values are comfortable. So you can write like this is equal to cosecant what? Sin inverse 1 by 2. You can write like this. Why? Because the property is there, not like that. Okay, na? So cosecant inverse 2 is equals to sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2. We can write sin inverse 1 by 2 is what? You can easily find out. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is equals to 30 degrees. Okay, na? Fine. Like that, we can easily find. This is a property. Okay, na? Other properties are also there. Okay, I will do one property. I had to do homework. Another property. Last one. Okay, na? See, this is another property. Same related property. Previous one done, no? Same related. Cos inverse of 1 by x, you can consider that also. Secant inverse, you can consider that also. Okay, na? Proof. Secant inverse x is equals to y. Secant inverse x is equals to y. Okay. According to the definition of the secant inverse, we can write x is equals to what? X is equals to secant inverse becomes secant y. X is equals to secant y. Secant y. X is equals to secant y. Okay, na? So secant is the reciprocal of what? Secant is the reciprocal of cos. We can write 1 divided by cos y. 1 divided by cos y. 1 divided by cos y. Okay, na? So you can shift to cos here. Cos y is equals to what? 1 by x. 1 by x cos. Okay. Cos y is equals to 1 by x. Okay. Next, according to definition of the cos inverse x, according to the definition of the cos inverse x, y is equals to cos inverse of 1 by x. Y is equals to cos inverse of 1 by x. Okay, na? So y value over here, consider this one first one as equation number 1, consider as equation number 2. Both are y same. We can equate these two things. Okay, I can equate this. So therefore, from 1 and 2, okay, cos inverse of 1 by x, cos inverse of 1 by x is equals to secant inverse of x. Secant inverse of x. Secant inverse of x. Okay, na? So like that, you can simplify. Okay. Another property also there. What is that property means? Tan inverse of 1 by x is equals to cot inverse of x. Cot inverse of x. You have to do this one as a homework. First, you have to consider cot inverse of x is equals to y. X is equals to cot y. Like that. X is equals to cot y means what? 1 by tan y. Okay. Tan y means what? Tan y is equals to 1 by x. So therefore, from the definition, so y is equals to tan inverse of 1 by x. So from this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we can tell that tan inverse of 1 by x is equals to cot inverse of x. These are the three properties. The more properties are there. I will discuss one by one. Okay, na? So my dear friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.